In this new era, creators no longer need to wrestle with complex programming languages or spend countless hours on learning curves. Instead, they can focus on what truly matters: their ideas and how to implement them effectively using intuitive interfaces and guided tools. Step 1 involves clearly defining your app idea, which serves as the foundation for the entire project. Think deeply about the core problem you want to solve and envision who will benefit from your app. This clarity will provide direction and inspiration throughout the development process, guiding you to make informed decisions that resonate with your target audience. Step 2 is to choose the right no-code platform, which sets the stage for the technical execution of your vision. Evaluate the features of popular options like Glide, if your app relies heavily on data integration, or Thunkable, for its versatility in creating mobile applications across different operating systems. Selecting a platform that aligns with your specific requirements is crucial, as it will determine how easily you can translate your concept into a functioning application. This thoughtful consideration will streamline your workflow and enhance the overall usability of the final product. Step 3 is all about designing the user interface, where the real creative magic happens. With the no-code platform's visual editor at your fingertips, you can effortlessly arrange and customize elements such as buttons, text fields, and images, all while maintaining a focus on user experience. Keep your target audience in mind as you craft an intuitive layout that invites engagement and promotes ease of use. This step allows you to visually express your app's concept, ensuring that it aligns with the purpose defined earlier and provides a seamless journey for users interacting with your application. Step 4 leads you to configure app logic, an essential aspect that dictates how your application behaves in response to user interactions. This involves defining workflows, such as specifying the outcome when a user clicks a button or submits a form. Establishing clear logic not only enhances the user experience but also ensures your app functions smoothly, with each action performed resulting in an expected and satisfying outcome for users. This meticulous attention to detail in Step 4 enables you to construct a robust application that operates precisely as you envision it. Step 5 is to integrate your app with various data sources, an essential step that breathes life into your creation. By connecting to tools such as Google Sheets or other databases, you enable your app to dynamically read and write information, ensuring that the content remains relevant and up to date. This integration not only enhances functionality but also enriches user engagement, as your app can adapt to the needs and inputs of its audience. A well-structured data connection ultimately allows you to deliver a more seamless experience, fostering interactions that feel personalized and intuitive. Step 6 is where you test your app, a critical phase that ensures your creation works as intended before it reaches actual users. Utilize the platform's built-in testing tools to simulate user interactions, checking for any bugs or glitches that might disrupt the experience. This step allows you to gather insights about the usability of features, ensuring everything from buttons to navigation flows seamlessly, providing a polished and professional final product for your audience. Addressing any issues during testing is imperative, as it guarantees that your app not only meets expectations but exceeds them, paving the way for positive user satisfaction and engagement. Step 7 emphasizes the importance of deploying your app and sharing it with users, marking the culmination of your creative journey. Once you have refined your application to your satisfaction, you can launch it across your desired platforms, whether that be on the web, iOS, or Android. Sharing your app allows you to gather valuable feedback from real users, which can guide future improvements and updates, ensuring that your creation continues to evolve and effectively meet the needs of its audience. Don't forget to promote your app, utilizing various channels to reach potential users and create excitement around your new offering. Engaging with your user base after launch fosters a supportive community and can lead to innovative ideas for future enhancements. Step 8 focuses on gathering feedback from users, a vital part of the ongoing development process. Once your app is live, actively seek insights from actual users to understand their experiences and areas for improvement. Encourage them to share their thoughts through surveys, direct engagement, or feedback forms integrated into the app, This engagement not only helps you identify potential issues but also strengthens the relationship between you and your audience. Remember, user feedback serves as a compass guiding future updates, ensuring your app evolves in line with user needs and preferences, ultimately leading to greater success and satisfaction. The no-code revolution, powered by AI, has made app development a reality for everyone, eliminating barriers and enhancing creativity. By embracing these intuitive platforms, you can transform your ideas into fully functional applications, engaging users and fostering innovation in a world where anyone can bring their vision to life.